Hi, this is Agnes, and I'll talk you through what I have done for my Coctail DB app from React side. So let's look how was my first vision, how I thought it's gonna look. Actually, not so much has changed. Like obviously, I was taking in consideration everything what you said in your feedback. So of course the list is too big. So in my nav, my list is not as big as in here. There is only recipes, spirits, and login. And then if you press on the recipes, it goes to the cocktails, to all of the cocktails in there. I also have the random cocktail on my homepage as you suggested it. I actually didn't change the logo. I really like the logo, and I was actually talking to a few of the people and they liked it as well. So it was my own taste, and yeah, I hope you can like it as well. I took out all of the social media icons as you suggested it, and yeah, I don't have a search. But if we can go and see in here what is working, yeah, have what's working in there. So in here we can see all of them. We can see the name of the spirit as well as the description. And if we go to the cocktails, then this, I hope it's gonna work. Working. Yeah, it goes to all of the cocktails in there, and you can see how they look in here. So let's see how my real app looks. So not a lot is changed. So I have my my logo, and on the homepage you can generate your own cocktails. And yeah, this is random one. It changes every time when you press the button, as well as if you go to the recipes, you can see all of the cocktails in one place. You don't need to click from one place to other one, but if you click, for example, to the cocktail, it takes you straight to the recipe. As well with the spirits, you can get the long list of the spirits and then choose one and go, and you'll see all the description about the spirits. Login, I have a login system in there as well. So see, it's working. Invalid username. So I think it's a password. It's not the username. So let's go back to the postman and copy my love this project so much password. And yeah, let's go back where we are. And when you log in, go straight to the profile page in which you can add the cocktails. So let's add, I don't know, for example, special cocktail today. I don't know, ingredients, juice and ice, and just put all that together. And we add the cocktail, and if you go to see all the cocktails, that's the cocktail that I made today. And if you go to homepage, you can see it's all. Obviously, I was using Bootstrap, React Bootstrap, so it is responsive. And yeah, so let's go and see how it all looks in the code. So in the code, I have loads of components in there. from the beginning it was very overwhelming. I was watching loads of your videos, and of course being at home and doing it on your own is different than being in the classroom and having you there and asking you questions. And as you know, I'm not a programmer, but at the end I got everything working. As much as I could, I got everything working. So I was using the routers, and as you can see in app.js page, that's where you can see all of them in one place. Also in my footer, like I took your advice, you suggested to take out in my footer I have only my name in there, and that's all. The homepage looks like this. We have a link button which takes you straight to the random cocktail. Let's take a look at the random cocktail in here, where we are. Yeah, it's here. So in random cocktail, of course, you have your constructor. In constructor, you definitely have your super, and you put your states, and random is set to null, and then you have your bootstrap figure. That's just for displaying how you want your cocktail to look, and of course component did mount, where you fetch the localhost, where you fetch the URL from the one which you created in Express, which is from the external API, and then you fetch that one so you can display it on the page. Of course, let's have a look and see. I think we don't need to go through all of them. We can just look at the recipes ones and see. Looks that was something which you were helping me with as well. So let's look at them under random cocktail again. We go to the recipe, and we go to recipe link, and we go to recipes. Okay, so first, when you click, the user comes to the recipes page, and here obviously it's the validation up there, and there is the link, and the link is with the name of the cocktails which has been selected from the this fetch URL, which comes from the localhost 3001. So obviously it's Express app, so that is coming from here. And then from the recipes, you go to recipe link, and the recipe link, what you have, it's just the way you're displaying it. It's the image as well as the name of the drink. This comes from the database itself. So if we have a look into our cocktail, so let's see, where is my cocktail? So go to homepage and go to Margarita. And press send, and go to that's the list, that's the category in here, the cocktail category. So you have I have the image name, and I have the ID of the drink as well as the name of the drink. So if I go back, I am wrapping everything, taking everything from the recipe, which is stored in the images are stored in str drink thumbnail, and the name is from the drink. So I fetch all that in my links page, which is like page before going to the recipe, and then we go to the recipe. What is my recipe page? Recipe, yeah. So, and then you go to the recipe, where again is the constructor, which takes, and we have our component in mount, and in this time you go to the localhost 3001 for 3001/coctail/ID, and that's the prop what I made, which is the ID. In real life it's /ID. I think in the no, it's should be 1 second, I'll check it. I think it is, yeah, it's ID drink. I go and yeah, so I get made my prop here, made my prop, and call it out, so you can fetch all the information from the cocktails ID and display it. So whenever you click on that exact cocktail ID, it comes fetches the information and brings it, shows it on the page down there. So yeah, and it's the same for the spirits page, and yeah, for all other pages as well. Okay, so I have the login system as well. Unfortunately, I couldn't get my logout button working, and but as I said, I'm not a programmer. I'm learning, and this has been a very hard project, and I have done my best to follow everything. So in the login page, as you can see as well, it goes to the localhost 3001 and fetches all that URL from that exact page. So yeah, as I said, the project has been hard, but I actually really enjoy them. I learned so much, and I can't thank you enough for that. Yeah, obviously the project is not perfect, but everything which I learned, it's there. So enjoy. Thank you so much.